Draw on a paper your design. I drew Zenitsu character, but you can draw anything you want. Please note that your original drawing will shrink twice of its size when heated. So if you want a specific size of keychain, you need to draw twice of its size. After you finish drawing, cut your shrink plastic just a little bigger than your drawing. You need to roughen it using sandpaper so that the ink will not smudge off quickly. Trace your drawing on your roughened shrink plastic using graphic pen or permanent ink. Then color it. I use color yellow, orange, and peach. Please pay attention to your color because it will darken as the plastic shrinks. Make a hole for keychain holder. Cut around your finished design, leaving just a small space for other design. Use the heat gun until the plastic shrinks, but be sure to have something to hold the plastic when the heat gun is doing its job. The plastic will curl up when heated, but continue until it flattens back again. When it's done, place flat board or book on top of it for a second to make sure it remains flat. Use your key holder to finish your keychain.